Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought after topics, how to make money on YouTube, 7 effective strategies. If you dream of turning your passion into profit, stick around because I'm about to share some game-changing strategies with you. So, let's get started. Strategy number 1 is all about understanding your niche. Find a topic you're passionate about and that also has a potential audience. Focus on creating valuable and engaging content that differentiates you from others in your niche. This will help you grow your subscriber base and monetize your channel fast.
Strategy 2.
Once you have your niche, it's time to level up your video production skills. Invest in quality equipment, like a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup. Learn the art of storytelling and video editing to create captivating content. Remember, high production value equals higher engagement and potential earnings. Strategy number 3 is all about building an engaged audience. Interacting with your viewers is key. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and even create videos based on their suggestions. Make your viewers feel like a part of your journey, and they'll continue to support you. Let's dive into strategy number 4, brand collaborations. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for sponsorships or partnerships, but don't wait for them to come to you. Reach out to brands that align with your content and audience. Negotiate fair deals that benefit both parties and create valuable content for your viewers. As we move on to strategy number 5, it's time to talk about the wonderful world of monetization on YouTube. Unlock the revenue potential of your channel by enabling ads, joining the YouTube Partner Program, and utilizing features like Super Chat, channel memberships, and merchandise shelves. Remember, diversify your income streams to maximize your earnings. Strategy number 6 is all about leveraging the power of social media. Promote your YouTube channel on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Engage with your followers, collaborate with fellow content creators, and share teasers of upcoming videos to drive more traffic to your channel. The more exposure, the more opportunities for monetization. Lastly, strategy number 7 is continuous learning and networking. Attend conferences, workshops, and network with other creators in your niche. Share ideas, learn from their experiences, and discover new trends and strategies. Remember, the YouTube landscape is ever evolving, so staying ahead of the curve is vital to your success. And there you have it, my fellow YouTubers, 7 effective strategies to make money on YouTube. Remember, success in this field takes time, dedication, and a genuine love for what you do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.